Hello dear viewers, in that video we are going to learning about how to use the Matplotlibs, title, XLABEL, YLABEL and grid. So let's get started into our main video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then here is our code we created into part 13. The part 13 is good, so left click mouse, and here is our new file called. Click here and create and call it mat2.python file. Okay, now it's done. Click here and we importing the matplotlibs. So let me import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. When it's done, we import not. We copy the all of the old file and paste in the new file. So go to the mat1 and paste in the mat2. Now the data imported, and then we are seeing the grids in that code. So when you run that code, you see that nothing is here on that figure 1 matplotlibs. So see this. This gives a second. So here is our matplotlib. We are seeing figure 1. There is nothing grind. I hide. Okay. Now here is our nothing grind we are seeing. Here is our grind we see in that code. So we close that matplotlib, and then here is our plt plot section. Enter it 2 times, and then hashtag adding grid lines, grind lines, colon 8, and then enter it and plt. We are using that plt dot grind. Okay, sorry, not plt dot pd dot grind. plt. We use the plt. So use that plt. Okay, plt dot grid. Okay, now that's come, brackets it, and then enter it in that type and run that code again. Now we see what is happened. Okay, now call it. Okay, now I small it means I hide it, and then here is you see that the grid lines has come, means our code is working. When the grid lines is functionality and error, you cannot see that grid lines. You see the firstly there are no grids, x and y position, and then you are seeing, and after seeing that you are seeing that grid lines. So you guess that you have finished your grid lines work, and we are seeing that in this code saying that x and y label. So cut that grid line to import that x and y labels, colon, and then plt dot xlabel bracket it, and then call it. This is the class, means this is the role of classes. Firstly say this is df function. Firstly is x position and secondly is y position. So first say roles all students bracket. Okay, now plus it, and then another plt dot ylabel. Okay, now bracket it in that, and then that double question mark, and then here is our name function called. Now names of all the student. Now equals and then 1 plus what digit roll 9. Okay. Now in that type, when we run that code, okay, also we add the gradings. So plt.grade to look like grid lines. And then now run that code again. Now we can see. Okay, what is it saying? ELT YLABEL. Oh, that is my wrong. Okay. Now another time we run that code. And here is our code run. Here is our state names of all the students equals to 1 plus 9. And then here is our rows students plus. We said in that part. Here is rows all students and names of all the students. We write down. So the X label and Y label that come to that code to come that grid lines. So you know that how to use that X label and Y label. So cut down and then here is our PLT X label and Y label and grid lines. Now we are seeing how to use the what? Now we are seeing how to use the grid lines, not how to use that function called okay. Now that part we make that bigger, so I give you that code in my description. I promise you. That is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button. Assalamualaikum.